It was bedtime for Arav and his best friend Buddy. The lights were dim, the room was cozy, and sleepy dreams were about to begin.
Whoa! Buddy, are we flying? Up we go! Over the rooftops! Into the stars!
Wow, a dream forest! Look at the glowing trees! And the tiny lights are dancing all around us! Come on, let's explore! Don't worry, we'll help you.
This is so much fun! Yeah, let's keep going!
It was time to go home. The magic bed waited, ready to take them back to sleep.
And just like that, they were home. Arav snuggled under the blanket, with Buddy right beside him.
Good night, buddy.
With a happy heart and a loyal friend, Arav drifted into sweet dreams. The best adventures begin with love.